Hi, I'm Clint Cantwell, editor of Grilling.com, and today we're firing up the grill for some tasty Brazilian butter and garlic shrimp. We're going to start by taking our preheated pan and adding 4 tablespoons of butter. To that, we're going to add 3 cloves of finely minced garlic. Put that back on the grill and let that butter melt down. The garlic flavor meld with that butter. It's going to be delicious. For the shrimp, we've got a half a pound of shrimp. These are U21 to U25 shrimp, which means that you're getting 21 to 25 shrimp per pound. Very easy way to know how many shrimp you're getting when you go in to your local seafood store. Now you want to season your shrimp on both sides with some kosher salt and cracked black pepper. Once they're seasoned, we'll take them over to the grill, get them down, and they'll cook 4 or 5 minutes per side until they turn a nice pink. They're white right now, but the shrimp will let you know when they're done, when they turn to a light pink color. It's very, very hard to mess up shrimp when you just pay attention to the color. Close those up and let them cook. So our shrimp have been grilling over live fire for about 10 minutes now. We're going to pull them off those skewers, throw them into that butter and garlic, give it a quick toss, and serve it up. So let's get this plated up. It smells delicious. Get all that good butter and garlic onto the plate. Little freshly chopped parsley. And that is our grilled Brazilian butter and garlic shrimp. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed cooking it.